Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through an Andrae song, Through It All. The song is going to be in the key of E flat, but then we're going to modulate in the end to A flat. So, let's go through the first verse. He's singing. I've had many tears and sorrows. I've had questions for tomorrow. Yet there have been times I didn't know right from wrong. But in every situation, God gave me blessed consolations to let me know my trials only come to make me strong. I've been a lot of places, and I've seen lots of faces, but there've been times I felt so all alone. But when I've had a problem, God let me know that He could solve them. He let me know that I was His own. Okay, so that was basically the first couple of verses. So you're starting off with the E flat chord to an E flat major 7. Then basically playing a B flat minor 7. You can leave the E flat on the bass if you want. Then you go to E flat 7. Then you go to A flat. It's an A flat major 7. Then you walk up on your bass, D flat 9, to C minor 7, to a C7 sharp 5, to a flat 9, to an F7 13, A flat over B flat, to B flat 9. In the second verse, same thing. I've been a lot of places. And he plays this lick here on one of his live recordings. I've seen a lot of faces, but yet there have been times I felt so all alone. Yet, in those lonely hours, yes, those precious lonely hours, Jesus let me know that I was His own. Then through it all, so through it all, I've learned to trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Through it all, through it all, I've learned to depend upon His word. So the chorus there is E flat over G, to A flat, very basic, F13, to B flat, B flat over D, E flat, 2-5-1, F minor 7, B flat 9, through it all, I've learned to depend upon His word. Okay, and then he transitions over to A flat, E flat 7 over D flat. So I thank God for the mountains, and I thank Him for the valleys, and for the storms He's brought me through. if I've never had a problem, I wouldn't know that God could solve them. I wouldn't know what faith God can do. Let's do that again. I thank God for the mountains. Thank Him for the valleys, the storms He's brought me through. If I've never had a problem, I would know God could solve them. I would know what faith in God can do. So it's A flat major 7. And then you're going to play this E flat minor 7 on top of A flat, or just F sharp over A flat to A flat 7 to D flat major 7. So D flat minor, back to A flat, to the F7 sharp 5, and then B flat 13. It's playing at G minor on top of B flat 7. Signature lick there. Then you're going to go to E flat. To A flat. Through it all. Through it all. I've learned to trust in Jesus. Learn to trust in God. Through it all. Through it all. I've learned to depend upon His word. Okay, that's playing it out to the end. So let me just break down the chords for A flat one more time to be clear. So after the chorus, let's see, we've gone through this. So then through it all, A flat over C, D flat, then B flat 7. I've learned to E flat, trust in Jesus. I've learned to trust in God. Through it all, through it all. And then we go to B flat over D. I've learned to depend upon His word. So in his recording, when he goes to the 6, he's going to do this descending bass. And the chords are, so F to B flat in your right hand, to E flat, to C7, to F minor, B flat 9 13, and then he does a cool little ending here. So let's see. So A flat, 6, descending. It's going to be a D flat major 9, B flat minor over D flat, to F sharp 13 sus, to an A flat. And that is pretty much the whole song. I tried to get some of the